Greetings from Playa Dorada in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. I am visiting yet another beach, and this one is by far the best and the prettiest and the longest. And that is because it's located in a beach resort area here that have many guests here that are visiting the Dominican Republic for vacation, or just the cruise ships that have people coming here on a daily tour trip. So I think that the price to get to this beach with the cruise ship was around $100 or something, and I got here for free by using my legs, obviously. And I almost got robbed along the way as I was passing by potential ghetto slash drug dealer area. I was warned. So before coming to this beach, I was in the Long Beach. What's it called? Yes. And from there was a police officer with a scooter that came in and told me that I should not pass after that beach because I could get robbed. This was like an actual police officer. I thought first he was joking, but then I was like, okay, maybe he's for real. But the detour was to go along the road, and I didn't have that much time as I need to be back on the ship by 3:30 p.m. And now it is actually 12 p.m. So I have still time anyway, but I wanted to use most of the time on the beach. So I was just watching along that area and check out that episode as well. I might have it already to see how scared I was, but nothing happened. And when I arrived on Costa Dorada beach, that's after that ghetto area, another person, security, told me that I'm crazy, and I am lucky that I got all my belongings. I think they're over exaggerating, but let me know in the comments if you know anything about this happening in Puerto Plata. I didn't read that much online, but maybe because people were just staying in the resorts, so I don't know. But yeah, that's what happened. But now let's focus on Playa Dorada, this huge beach that I might also do a separate episode of beach walk tour, as it was quite a long beach that I was walking, and it's still more to be actually after this part. It's a very long beach that stretches after that coast on the bay on the other side as well. And as I mentioned, it is a resort beach, but it's also accessible by the public. So yeah, that's about it. There was rain as I was going along the way, and when I was swimming at Costa Dorada, that's another beach that's around 1 kilometer away from here, 1.5, right after that potential ghetto area that I don't know much about. And yes, now let's take a swim in this paradise, the best beach in Puerto Plata that I am showing you on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris. So this is where the cruise ships take the people that want to go for a beach. It's around 6 kilometers from the port, or 5 if you walk by the beach, with a chance of getting robbed along the way. So yeah, that's about it. Now let's take a swim and enjoy. I have 3.5 hours left until I need to be back on board. And it looks like we will have some scattered sunshine also as well, which is amazing. Here the bottom is sandy. I don't see any pebbles like it was the case on the previous beaches that are closer to the port. And I guess this beach looks much better on a sunny day. We can see also the mountains there. And Puerto Plata has the only zip line, or how is it called, air tram in the whole Caribbean. There was a tour that you can go on that but obviously I have opted for the beaches. And yeah, so let's then take a swim at Playa Dorada beach in Dominican Republic. All right. Wonderful view. There were a lot more people on this beach compared to the previous ones that I visited. As I mentioned, it is the most popular beach in Puerto Plata. And yeah, this is how it looks like on 4th of January 2025. And day 3 of my cruise expedition. Cruise with Kris. Maybe I should start a separate channel if I am going on another cruise, and it will be mostly cruise beaches. But yeah, cool. So that's a wrap from Playa Dorada beach in Dominican Republic. It looks like some more rain is coming this way, but it is what it is. We need to make the most out of it. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris.